Joey, eto na. Panoorin mo. Eto. Hahawakan mo lang to, guys. Believe it or not.
Okay.
Mangyayari po to sa harapan ninyo, mga kaibigan. Wala pong daya to. Pure magic. Pero bago ang lahat, birthday na asawa ko kahapon.
Si Lara.
Si Lara. Happy birthday. Love you. Okay. Eto na.
Parang namawala ka rin sa kanya, di ba?
Eto na. Panoorin niyo po.
Okay.
Ready?
Manong Joey.
Okay.
Hawakan mo lang, ha?
Are you ready?
Bye.
Uy, dali. Kailangan ko yan eh.
Kasama ba yan?
Oo.
Sige. Ako curious kung paano talaga ginagawa itong trick na to eh. Hindi ko
Sandali. Siya nga pala, Norquis Yamaha, Mr. Albos, niregaluhan ako. Scooter, thank you.
Mag-disappear ka na nga.
Game. Uy, alugin mo na, may Manong Joey.
Kape.
Era!
Aba? Okay ah.
Uy,
Sige.
parang nawawala na.
Ano nangyari?
What's going on?
Uy!
Hoy! Yung...
Hoy, lumat!
Barin!
Darin!
Wow,
Bago yun ah.
he's gone.
Bago yun.
Hindi ko nakakita ginawa yun, ha?
Ako nga, subukan natin. Sige, Gom. Hindi natin mawawala ka.
I love you.
Subukan natin, dali.
Sige, ikaw nga.
Okay.
Go.
That's it.
Set, go!
Ano ba? Unti-unti na tayo nang ubus dito ah.
Bakit ikaw man nawala?
Ayoko na nito.
Nawala.
Sige na.
Barin, nasaan ka na?
Tara, ako rin.
Barin!
Dapat ito pala ginamit ko ng Pasko.
Bakit?
Para saan?
Para nawala rin ako.
Hindi ko naman nawala.
Galing. Nakita mo si Merwin on the way.
Nakita ko. Ang lalim pala ng tunnel.
Ando na.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Manong Joey, tingnan natin kung mapapalitan natin si Berwin. Oh.
Manong Joey! What can you say?
It's amazing. It defies the laws of physics.
Ang magic, yan ang mga bagay na di ka panipaniwala.
Pero dito, tiyak na mapapanaks ka.
Kaya kung akala nyo special effects to, nagkakamali kayo.
Ito lang ang tunay at totoo.
Mga nakakabilib na pangyayari.
Mga kakaibang magic dito lang sa...
Nakakabilib at kakaibang show! Paring Benji, ikaw ba nito nakaraang January 1 tumalong ka ba?
Eh, siyempre naman.
Oh.
Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Basta sumapit ang bagong taon, kailangan tumalong ka para tumangkad ka pa.
Naku, yun nga worry ko, paring Benji eh. Tumalong ka pa, di tatangkad ka pa. Paano yan pag nakausap kita o kaya haharapin kita? Kailangan ko na mag-float niyan, parang si Slydon.
Ang ibig mo sabihin, si Slydon marunong mag-float.
Oo naman! Check this out! Ang lugar sa loob ng High-Top Supermart along Aurora Boulevard.
Ang magician, si Slydon, ang all-around grocery boy na nag-aambisyon maging si Superman.
Ang accomplice, itong lalaking ito.
Ang magic, walang gamit na gadget, lulutang si Slydon right before your very eyes. Promise!
Ang mga inanaks, mga taong namimili sa High-Top Grocery. Ha? Saan? cutter ha. Kasi tatakpan ko nito. Ito. Tingnan mo ha. Tingnan mo ha. Ang gusto mo abutin ko siya? Abutin ko siya, tingnan mo ha.
Lumuta. Galing ah.
Ayos ba? Okay. Ayos ba? Ayos ba? Ayos ba?
Pera na, naging papel pa.
Lugi ata tayo dyan!
Pero itong magic na panalo kayo.
Pare Benji, ikaw ba pag yung pera mo minagik at pinarami ko, matutuwa ka ba?
Aba! Oo! Bibili ko ng maraming bahay! Tapos bibili ko ng beach house, lalagyan ko ng beach. Tapos bibili ko ng rancho, lalagyan ko ng maraming kabayo.
Oh?
Oo!
Eh paano naman paring Benji pagka yung pera mo ginawa kong papel? Ang lugar, ang Sosing Katips Bar, along Katipunan.
Ang inanak, si manager, yung nagbabayad ng tip pagkatapos ng kainan.
Ang magic, ang credit card ni manager, biglang nawala. Biglang naging pera.
At ang magician, the so malilimuting waiter na si JB.
Boss, sukli niyo.
Thank you.
Meron pa kayong sukli eh. Salamat sir, pagpunta niyo sa Katips ha. Sir, dyan kanina yung 500 eh. Ay, yung 100, nilagay ko dyan.
Ba't wala dito?
Boss, nilagay ko lang kanina dyan.
Ano yan? Ayoko yan, balik mo yan.
Hindi, boss. Ika. Nilagay ko lang yung 500 dito eh.
Wala eh.
Hindi sir, ayan o.
Ay,
Ayan na. Okay. So, boss, nasa Channel 7 nyo kayo. So, yung bagong magic show sa Channel 7, Nax. Sir, thank you po. Sure receipt, sir. You have 1,000 po. 1,000. How much is your change? Magkano po sukli nyo? 6,721. Boss. Ma'am, ito yung sukli nyo. So, here. Sandali. So, yun. Okay. So, salamat ma'am. Balik kayo sa Katips ha. Bro, may sobra tayong bayad nyo. Sobra 100.
Agad ba? Sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Ice dito, Maris. Ice.
Change ka pa 100.
Wala eh.
Wala pa ba? Hindi, ikot mo lang gaganyan eh.
Oh!
Tapos, andyan yung 100, di ba?
Mabibilib ka kahit nasan ka man.
Magic ni Eric at Berwin sa daan at kung saan-saan.
Dito lang yan sa nag-iisang...
Nakakabilib talaga yung mga salamangkero sa entablado.
They are astonishing.
Oo naman! Lalo na pagka magic, malapitan. Talaga naman mapapanganga ka. At masasabi mong... Uy, Benji, ito na.
Now, magic happens, anytime, anywhere, with anyone, and with anything. Now, we used it with tissues. I'm going to show you guys magic with just a couple of rubber bands. Okay, go ahead, take a look at that, Stefan, Gail. Make sure it's just regular rubber band. There's no ties or anything, no breaks in it, okay? It's pretty solid. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link these two together, just like this. Okay, that's pretty fair. One cannot pass through the other, yes? Okay, it's physically impossible. It's pretty much linked together. Now, it can't go through the bottom or the top or even the center. If you watch carefully when I rub, watch. Now, Stefan, can you help me? Okay. Stand up right up here. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to curl your fingers. Perfect. I'm going to give you two rubber band, or the one rubber band, and I want you to lock it. Excellent. And keep it at that tension. Okay. A lot of people think I'm doing something funny with these rubber bands, so I'm going to give you one, and I've got one. And Stefan, make sure I don't get past your fingers. When I say go, I want you to rub up and down. Okay? Make sure I don't get past your fingers. Ready? Here we go. Go. A lot of people think I'm doing something funny with the rubber bands. So, Saria, come up, curl your fingers like this. Okay. Just hold it like that. Make sure you keep it locked and tight, okay? And, Saria, I want you to keep that tension to about there. Okay? Now, make sure I don't try and get past your fingers or anything, okay? When I say go, I want you to rub up and down. Okay? There you go. Make sure I don't get past your fingers. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. Go. He's good, eh? Here we go. Joanne, what I want you to do is curl your fingers, okay? And take your thumb, lock it there, okay? Good? Joanne, when I say go, I want you to rub up and down, okay? Make sure I don't go past your fingers, though. Okay, ready? Here we go. Go. I don't know. How did you do that?
Deck of cards, no? Kung papipiliin ko kayo na isang card ng ganyan, madali kong malalaman kasi magician ako eh. This time, papipiliin ko kayo, pero it's your call. It's your call. Kung kailan nyo gusto pa-stop, i-stop ko yung card pag ginanyan ko. Alright? I have 52 cards here, okay? Say stop whenever you want. Say stop. 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 Okay, perfect. So that's your card, okay? Ngayon, tatakpan ko siya para safe and secure siya, pero iangat ko. That's where you stop. So this is your card, okay? This is your card, alright? Alright, cool. Can you push it inside? Can you push inside? Yes. Most of the magicians, ang ginagawa nila, sleight of hand. That's secret, pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, sleight of hand, nalalaman ko kung ano yung card mo. Pero me, I'll do a sleight of mouth. Yeah, watch, watch.
I try.
Nabil, ewan ka. Ina, say stop whenever you want. Say stop. 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 Yes, perfect. Is this your card? Yes, that's where you stop. Okay? Show it to the camera. Push. Push your card in. Yes, inside, yes. Imagine. Say stop whenever you want. Say stop. Okay, ready? Stop. Okay, perfect. This is where you stop, sir. So this is your card. Okay? Okay? Push yung card nyo inside. Inside. Yes. Sige, sige, sir. Okay. Yes, perfect. Then sleight of mouth, sir. Simple. Tama, sir? Thank you, sir. Thank you. That's your card, right? Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Okay, yes. Push ko yung card nyo. Kung saan kayo nag-stop, this is your card. Okay? This is your card. Sige, push nyo. Push yung inside. Push. Mapapanax kayo sa invention ni Benji.
Practical at kakaiba ito. Tutok lang dito sa... Alam nyo, dito sa NAX, ang mga imbensyong pinapakita namin ay very useful sa mga pang-araw-araw. Introducing ang Smell Smell Go Away. Ang Smell Smell Go Away ay magagamit nyo para hindi mo na maamoy ang mga di ka nais-nais na amoy. Dual purpose pa. Hindi ka pa pagpapawisan. Ang Smell Smell Go Away Come Again Another Day ay pinadala ni Mark DJ ng Ilocos Norte. Mark, congratulations! Nanalo ka ng 5,000 pesos. Okay?
Bilib na naman kayo, no?
Isa na namang nakakabilib at kakaibang show ang inyong natunghayan.
Kaya magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod na linggo para sa mas maraming magic at katatawanan. Dito lang sa...
Ready? Here we go. Go.
Ayos ba?
Go past the fingers, though. Okay, ready? Here we go. Go.